Let me scroll through these wallet balances for a moment. They're fully legit. You're probably thinking how you could end up with even a bit of that. Don't stress. I'm going to break everything down clearly so you can follow along and finish with solid gains. Before we dive into the full method, there's something you need to know. Don't touch Pump Fun. It's not worth your time. Literally anyone can launch for free, which floods the space with low effort junk. If you want solid returns, now's the time to take the better path. Jump into Photon, set the filter to Pump Fun Dex, and you'll see a non-stop stream of meme coin launches. Tokens like these 5 keep popping up, but they disappear in no time. That's what happens when any random person can launch for free. It gets completely overloaded. Switching over to Radium tokens, it's clear. Very few new launches happening. We've seen just a couple coins go live in the last few minutes. Now compare that to Pump Fun's chaos. It's a night and day difference. The demand on Radium? Off the charts. Look at the liquidity numbers. It's wild how much bigger they are than anything on Pump Fun. The reason's simple. Radium takes real coding, so weak coins don't make it. This is the platform we're using. Let me show you what's next. I came across Launchtool not even looking for it, and man, this thing is seriously slept on. It's the next level. You can get a token on Radium without touching code, so literally anyone can use it. It only takes a few clicks to get started. I've been stacking profit with it every week, and it's still working perfectly. I've already picked a good-looking logo straight from Google. Naturally, I went with a meme that's hot right now. I mean, it always works. I recommend doing some online hunting to find something funny and popular, since those kinds of logos tend to attract buyers instantly. That trick hasn't failed me so far. Now jump into Canva, start a fresh design, resize it to 128 by 128, make any quick edits you want, and save. Nice and easy. Just how we roll. Now head over to Launchtool to get started. Fill in your token's details. I'm using Holy Smack for the name and POPEW as the token symbol. Type something catchy in the description. For mine, I wrote, "She came with peace but pumped like wrath." Choose the logo you created earlier and move forward by clicking Next. Up next is the tokenomics section. Leave it as is. It's already configured the way we want. That's important since the full 1 billion supply will come into play later. Hit Next again, and you'll arrive at the Creator section. Quick note, modifying anything here will charge you 0.1 Sol. Personally, I don't think it's worth the cost, so I always turn that off and skip ahead. After that, you'll be prompted to add your social media links. That's optional. Add them if you want, but I usually don't bother. Keep moving forward. We're now entering one of the most crucial stages. Serious warning, messing with the toggles here can mess up your whole token. You might be thinking, what's the risk? Revoke Freeze Off gives you the power to halt all trading. Leaving Revoke Mint disabled means you can create as many tokens as you want, anytime. Revoke Update, on the other hand, allows you to edit the token's details whenever. People checking your coin will instantly back off if they notice even one of these switches untouched. That's how you destroy credibility and ruin your chances of getting buyers. Leave everything exactly how it is and press Launch My Token. In a second or two, your wallet will appear. Go ahead and approve the transaction like always. That's the full launch part done. Now you can look at your token details. I'm verifying mine on SolScan right now. There it is. It's active on the network, but we're not quite there yet. It still needs one more step to be tradable. Let's handle the next step. Go back into Launchtool and hit the Create Liquidity Pool button. That'll instantly bring you into Radium. Double check that your wallet is linked, then choose your meme token as the base. Tap the token field, get your token address from Launchtool, and paste it right below where it says Select the Token. Go ahead and input the coin info. I'm using POPEW in the symbol field and Holy Smack for the name. Hit Add User Token, then click your token once more to lock it in. Enter 900 million tokens. That's the standard share from a 1 billion supply. Pick Solana as your quote option. You're the initial buyer here, so pressing max won't cost you a thing. Remember to subtract 0.2 Sol from your total. Radium charges that as a setup fee, and it's highlighted in yellow text. Choose 2% as the fee tier. When all inputs are ready, go ahead and click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve the transaction window, and the pool is active. Open up Photon, and you'll see our meme coin already listed. That's handled. Now let's move on to reviewing the chart. Go to deckscreener.com and select any coin from the list. Wait until the chart finishes loading completely. Then go back to Launch Tool. Grab your token's address and paste it into the DexScreener search bar. Replace the existing one. Press Enter. Your chart will show up right away. Some transactions might show, but it's mostly bot activity early on. No reason to stress about that part. We'll just wait it out a bit and see when the order book starts moving. While you're at it, keep an eye on your Radium portfolio every now and then. Make sure it's set to standard view. You'll notice your position show up underneath soon. These things usually take a couple minutes to update. Oh wow, our first buy already came through. Let me scroll a bit so you can catch it. That one came in at $35, which translates to 0.56 Sol. I'm holding off for now, curious to see what else drops. You'll also notice a few people selling, but no stress. That actually helps boost the volume, which is great for appearances. Oh, I haven't shown you this either. We got an $18 buy, another $18 buy. We got a few sells sadly as well, but it is what it is. Oh, take a look at this though. And right here, we've got a $9 buy, which is fantastic, guys. And look at that. Second buy came in hot, 0.6 Sol or $111. Looking at the stats right now, liquidity is showing $880, and market cap has reached $1.1 thousand. We're doing seriously well so far, and I'm expecting those numbers to climb soon. The crazy part? No need for any marketing to pull this off. You can repeat this method as many times as you want. Like I've said before, it's absolutely nuts. And do you guys know what the best part of this whole process is for me? You can literally print profits in under an hour. Oh wait, check this out. Third buy just landed, worth nearly $84 or 0.46 Sol. And if we scroll down a bit, you'll notice there are a shit ton of sells. Also, guys, keep in mind, oh, just look at this, man, a $35 sell. That's really bad. But what I wanted to say is, don't worry if this happens to you too. There's no reason to panic. You can keep launching new coins over and over and rugging them, stacking up serious cash on a daily basis. Dude, what the heck is going on right now? I'm pretty sure this is our fourth buy in a row. Just a quick scroll. Yeah, look at this. Someone just dropped basically $150, or in Solana terms, 0.82. And on top of that, it was placed in under 50 seconds. And if we look up here, we can see that this coin has grown by over 800% since we initially created liquidity. And remember guys, everything in this demo is just for educational purposes, and results can vary. Okay, before I drain this token completely, let's take one last look at the numbers. We've got $1.1 thousand in liquidity, $1.9 thousand in market cap, and the pair was created just 36 minutes ago. Insane growth in no time. That's enough for me. I'm locking in the gains. Jump on Radium, link your wallet, and hit the standard option. Tap that little minus icon. Slide the percentage up to 100%. Only the SOL matters here. That's what you're withdrawing. Go ahead and press Remove Liquidity, confirm the action, and boom, you'll see the success message pop up. That's your profit confirmed. Here comes the best part. Open up Phantom and take it in. I tossed in about $250 and came out with over $300 in return. Just to be clear, I've got no connection to Launch Tool, Photon, or Radium. Everything you've seen here is strictly for learning. The methods worked great for me, but that doesn't mean it'll last forever. So if you're thinking about it, move quick.